These are the elevators at the Dillon garage in Raleigh, North Carolina. I think that one just arrived. This is a set of 3 scenic elevators. And they're Otis Gen2. I found up to 9, which is the lobby, and here you go up. So newer Series 4 too, is my second. Scenic Gen2s. Yeah, this is the garage. There's no B, but that's interesting. These are very nice.
9th floor. Going down.
Go back down to 1. Not sure what this is the lobby of, if it's the apartment building or something else, because I thought the apartment building was across the street. Basic stainless steel cabinet, nice flooring, applique or sludge in this case. These are nice. I think these are about 350 feet per minute, maybe a little more. I'm not entirely sure. Adam, you can probably tell me.
1st floor.
These are very nice. There's a service corridor. Probably for the retail. They're closing. That's going to be